Hello and welcome to Garb Studio. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create the speed blur effect using Adobe Photoshop. So, without further ado, let's get started. I've already added the image that needs to have the speed blur effect. First, unlock the background layer by clicking on the lock toggle. Then, duplicate the layer by pressing Ctrl+J. Navigate and select the Object Selection tool and click on the Select Subject button under the menu bar to select the subject. Now, use the Quick Selection tool to refine the selection as needed. Once done, click on the Add Mask icon located at the bottom of the layer panel. If you unselect the background layer, you will see that the subject is selected, and the background is removed in the duplicated layer. Now, select the background layer, go to the Filter option in the menu bar, choose Blur Gallery, and select Path Blur. Match the path to the perspective of the photo. Create additional paths as per your preferences. You can curve the paths as needed based on your photo. Now, drag the speed slider to increase the blur, and adjust the taper and endpoint speed sliders to fine-tune the blur effect according to your preferences. Once satisfied, click OK, and you will have achieved the preferred speed blur effect. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and informative.